Hi guys, in January lead coding, today's problem is a valid string parenthesis. Okay, so let me read through the problem statement. Given a string is containing just the characters, this one, and this one. These are the brackets actually. Determine if the string, if the input string is valid or not. So for the string to be the valid, we have the two conditions. The first condition is key open bracket must be closed by the same type of brackets, and the second condition is key open bracket must be closed in the correct order. Okay, so we have these examples. First example, we return the true because we have this closing bracket and this this is the opening bracket and this one is the closing bracket and they are of the same type, so it will return the true. This will also return true, this will return false, and so let's move on to the whiteboard, and let me explain it clearly that key how we will approach this problem. Hi guys, here we are on the whiteboard. So to solve this problem, our idea is like we are going to use the stack. Okay, so we are going to traverse through the string array. Okay, and we are going to traverse through the each character of the string, and if the character is the opening bracket, then I will just push it into the stack. Okay, and if it is a closing bracket, then I will just pop from the top of the stack, and if the popping element is equal to the or same as the element which current we have detected, okay, then it will return the true, otherwise it will return the false. So for the first test case here, for the first test case, okay, this is the opening curly braces. So I will just push it into the stack. Okay, and then when our point will goes over here, and then this is the closing curly braces, then I will not put into the stack. I will just pop the element from the top of the stack, so I will just pop it. Okay, now I will compare with this. So now I will compare with this element. Okay, so if this is equal to like, so if this one is equal to like this, then it is a valid substring. Okay, then same for this test case. We are going to make a stack here, and if we will get the opening bracket, then I will just push into the stack. Then I will getting the this one is the opening bracket, then I will push it into the stack. Again I'm going to get this. Now this one is this one is closing bracket, so I'm just going to pop from the top of the stack, so I will pop it. So popping element is this one, and now my current element is this one. So they are, so this is the valid substring. Okay, now again I'm going to get the closing bracket. This one is the closing bracket. Okay, again I will not post it into the stack, so the element which I get is this one. Okay, now I'm going to pop from the top of the stack. This one is this one. Okay, now this one is like this. Okay, so this is also a valid substring. So I will return the true. In this case, here I'm going to make a stack here. Make a stack here. Okay. Now again, here I'm getting the opening bracket. Yeah. So I will just push it in the stack. I push it. Okay. Again, when my pointer goes over here, again I'm getting the opening bracket. So I will just push it in the top of the stack. Now here I'm getting the uh, closing bracket. So this one is my closing bracket, and I'm going to pop from the top of the stack. This element is like this. So this is valid substring. This will return true. Again I'm going now now the this this end. Now this is end of the string. Now I will just now finally here I'm saying that key there is a one element left in the stack. So this is not the valid string, it will return false. So let's code for this. As so far we have discussed the problem that we are going to use the stack, and stack will going to store the each character element of the string. So let me create a stack here of type character. Why character? Because string is a sequence of a character. So let me create a stack is equal to new stack. Now let me traverse through the whole string, and here I'm going to use the for each loop. So for that I have to convert the string to a character array. So I have to like it that case dot to char array. Okay, now if I'm getting any opening bracket, then I will just push into the stack. So if character is equal to this bracket, yeah, character ch is equal to this bracket, sorry, this bracket, yeah, character is equal to opening a square bracket, then in that case I will just push it into the stack, push push into the stack character. Okay, and if I am getting the opening bracket, then I have to post into the stack. Now when I will execute this line of code or these conditions, no need to execute the code below this line. Okay, so I will just write here continue so that our controller goes back to the loop again. Okay, now if the first time if my this condition is not become true, and if first time I'm getting the like closing bracket, so first time our stack will be empty, so in that case I will return false. So if first time stack dot is empty empty, then in that case I will return false. Otherwise I am going to pick the top of the element, pop the top of the element and compare with this the current element. Okay, so let me declare a character variable peak. Okay, and now the closing bracket can be of three types. So let me use the switch case here, switch case ch. Okay, so case is, okay, if I'm getting this bracket, then in that case I'm just going to peak element stack dot top sorry, stack dot pop. Okay, now if popping element is, if pop is equal to this bracket. Okay, yeah, if peak is equal to this element. Okay, then in that case I will return false, and I will break through this first case. Okay, now case 2 is like if I'm getting so if I have this closing bracket, this closing bracket, what is happening at, so pick the top of the element, so stack dot pop the top of the element. Now check here, if peak if peak element is equal to um, this one, sorry, this one, yeah, if peak element is equal to this one, then in both cases I will return false, and I will break through this case. Now third case is, okay, if I am getting closing curly braces. Okay, this one, then peak element will be stack dot pop. Okay, and if my peak is equal to this bracket, yeah, if my, sorry, if my peak is this bracket. Okay, yeah, peak is equal to uh, peak is equal to this bracket. Okay, in that case I will return false. Okay, and I will break through these conditions. Okay, now finally if my stack becomes empty, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So finally I can return a stack dot is empty. Okay, if it is true, then true, otherwise it is false. We run this code. So I'm getting a compiler error where line number 41. So okay, I'm inside the uh, for loop, so I have to come out of the for loop. Okay, now run this code. Okay, finally our solution got accepted. Thank you.